Outside. The red one.
Cardinal.
What is it?
Cardinal.
Good job. So we have to circle it. It was so pretty, wasn't it? Bright red. Good job. And then what did we see yesterday? Remember we saw a bunch of them?
Yeah.
We saw that. What one was that called?
I don't know.
That one's kind of hard. The woodpecker?
Yeah, woodpecker.
We saw that on the...
Look, I just draw his face.
Oh, that's okay. It's okay. And then what do we see? What do we see a lot of?
We see this one.
No. What do we see a lot of? What's your teacher's name? What do we see?
I didn't draw that one.
That's okay. All right, what about the orange belly one that we see all the time? What's it called?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. Robin. Good job. And then what do we see the other day?
I don't know. A woodpecker.
A woodpecker, that's right. But what about the blue one?
Okay.
Remember we saw the blue one? What's that called?
I don't know.
Think about it. Remember?
I know.
Use your brain.
No.
It's called... Look at Mommy. Blue jay.
Blue jay.
So we saw blue jay. What else?
We saw blue jay.
And what else?
I don't know.
Look at Mommy. Robin. The red one. What's the red one?
Cardinal.
And this one.
And we saw this one.
Yeah, that was the woodpecker. And what's this one we see all the time?
Robin.
The robin. Good job.
2 robins.
We saw a lot of robins. Okay.
I saw 2 robins.
Yeah. All right. Good job, sweetheart.